Hi everyone, this is Jel from Jel Tarot Guide. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng reading for water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, gamit ang ating tarot cards. Alamin natin kung ano yung magiging gabay, advice for water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio sa araw na ito. Okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa iyo, water sign. Pwede din pong hindi. Okay? And this is a timeless reading, so kung anumang araw, buwan at taon mo ito napanood, as long as mag-resonate sa sitwasyon niyo po, rate niyo lang. And ang ating channel ay welcome po ang lahat ng gender, so babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood, and yung mga taong dinidil nyo, take nyo lang, pag hindi po mag-resonate, huwag pong ipilit, okay? So, ano po ang message po for water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio? Okay. So, ano po ang mensahe po for Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio? Ano po ang mensahe? Okay, so there's a Scorpio sign, and there's a Four of Cups and Two of Swords. Oh, okay. So, Four of Cups and the Swords together with Death. Pag lumabas to siya, water sign, huwag ka matakot, okay? Kasi this is not a literal na death, okay? This is signifies as something na magi-end, okay? Matatapos or something na next chapter na ng buhay, okay? Pwedeng merong something na nabago, and this situation is parang yung kung ano man tong hinihintay mo, okay? Pwede meron kang hinihintay, pwede meron kang sitwasyon, mensahe, or tao, or news na hinihintay mo, pero feel mo hindi siya mangyayari. Okay? Hindi siya mangyayari kasi meron tayo dito Two of Swords. Parang, it's either you, water sign, or this person na hinihintay mo na parang, hindi. Okay? Hindi. Hindi talaga. Kasi meron tayo ditong Two of Swords, and kitang-kita nyo naka-X yung kamay niya. Okay, naka-X yung, naka-blindfold pa siya. Okay, so, pwedeng there's no continuation of what situation of Four of Cups right here. And meron tayo ditong Death card. So, it represents something na tapos na. Okay, and you have to move on. You have to flip your book to the next chapter na water sign. Okay, pasensya na po sa mga background noises po. Kung hindi ko na po ito ma-edit, pasensya na po talaga, okay? So, there's an ending of this situation. It may resonate. Pwedeng ito ay sa trabaho, water sign. Pwedeng ito ay sa pagkakakitaan. Pwedeng ito ay sa relationship, okay? And Ten of Wands and King of Cups, okay? So, there's a burden. There's something na nahihirapan. Okay, and pwedeng you're dealing with sa water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. It's either you or you're dealing with someone na may masculine energy. Okay, so Ten of Wands, kitang-kita nyo as is yung yung card na to. Okay, nahihirapan siya or ikaw. Okay, so nahihirapan ka ng maghintay, mag-continue sa kung ano man tong hinihintay mo. Pwedeng napagod ka. Okay, and you decide, water sign, na you have to sit on your throne. Okay, you have to fix yourself. You have to do something na parang it's enough. That's enough. Ayoko na. Parang ganun. Okay? So, tapos ka na sa waiting season. You don't have to wait. You don't have to beg for bare minimum kung relasyon man to. And you have to step back. You have to, kumbaga, observe, and at the same time, pulutin mo yung corona mo and ilagay mo ibalik mo sa ulo mo. Okay? Because this is not what you deserve. You deserve something better. You deserve a wonderful connection for you, water sign, okay? So, ang reading natin ngayon, medyo hindi naman mabigat. Kasi always ko naman na sinasabi na everything happens for reason, okay? So, kung ano man itong nangyari dito sa tatlong swords, tatlong wands na nandito, water sign, you deserve something better. You deserve a lot better, water sign, okay? And you have to sit on your throne. Ikaw to. Okay? Ikaw to. Kailangan mong umupo, bumalik dun sa trono mo, okay? Okay? So, pero yun po yung reading sa araw na ito, and naway nagustuhan nyo po and i-take nyo po yung advices, messages ng tarot cards for water sign sa araw na ito, okay? So, yun lang po ang ating reading. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, water sign, para ma-notify po kayo sa mga next videos na i-upload natin, okay? Thank you and God bless!